When you find yourself 2 blocks from your destination, find somewhere safe to pull over. And then we do this for 2 reasons. Is first and foremost, we want to make sure that our body is nice and loose. You've been sitting in traffic. Sometimes that can be frustrating. So loosen up your body, get your muscles nice and loose, because we have a plan on installing a water heater. And the other thing that you're doing is you're just getting your mind right. A chance to get out and stretch and get some fresh air in there, oxygenate yourself. And if you're going into a sales process, it's going to make you more comfortable and dynamic for that. Once you have a nice couple deep breaths, check your appearance. My clothes look proper, my shirt tucked in. The reality is, you're going to sell a tank or install a tank. You want to have loose muscles to take that tank down and put that other one back up. And then, do I have that $1 million smile?